welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Even if 2% people in mining belt oppose mining, let's stop the business, dares mining giant Avadhoot Timlo to NGO and activists. Few Supreme Court judges have become activists in black robes, says Timlo in his first ever interview after ban. JMFC rejects bail plea to the accused who wanted to derail a train. Court remands him to 7-day police custody. Police investigation reveals involvement of more men. Beef dearth continues in the state. High Court's condition of ban on slaughtering animals from other state creates crunch. Traders say such animals not available in Goa. Police unable to trace Tariq Ahmed Batlu, Goa police tells High Court. Investigation agencies lose track of first ever terrorist arrested in Goa. And accident between electricity van, tracks and tipper at Bari. 10 injured, 1 serious. Now the news in detail. Mining giant and chairman of Fomento Resources Avadhoot Timlo in his first ever interview to Prudent has challenged NGOs for a referendum in mining belt. Avadhoot Timlo has declared to stop mining activity if even 2% of people in mining belt oppose mining resumption. Timlo has also said that few Supreme Court judges have become activists in black robes leading to judicial activism. The full explosive interview will be telecast on Sunday at 1:30 p.m. and 10 p.m.
एंटायर मिनरल बेल्टाक आज एक ओपिनियन पोल घे आणि विचार मायनिंग जाय काय ना 99% जर जाय म्हणले ना मायनिंग बंद करपाचें चल ही एक तुमगेल्या NGO काय लोकांक चॅलेंज तूं हांगा बसून पणजी बसून म्हापशी बसून दिल्ली बसून म्हाका ही जाडवाय सांगनात
आता त्या बोवाळा खातीर समजा फाल्यां सुप्रीम कोर्टान मायन बंद केलें गोंयांत मायन नाका आमचो सुप्रीम कोर्ट कसली ऑर्डर दिवपाक शकता
तांणी सगळ्यांक आयकून जजमेंट पास करपाक जाय दॅट इज कॉल्ड नॅचरल जस्टीस नॅचरल आज आमकां बंद केला एक शाह कमिशन रिपोर्टाचेर आनी थोडे जज सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे तांकां आपयतात सुप्रीम कोर्ट हें इज अ रियली सुप्रीम टेम्पल ऑफ आवर कंट्री पण पुजारीज आर नॉट अबाव बोर्ड देर आर एक्टिविस्ट्स देर in the form of black robes. Say black robes mean judges. It is called judicial activism.
पयली हो प्रश्न पळय आसा न्ही ताजे तुवें उत्तर दिवपाक जाय फाल्यां मायनिंग बंद जालें जाल्यार गोंयची परिस्थिती कितें जातली
कोटी दिसाक आमी दिताले 5 कोटी ते बंद जाले स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटाक थ्रू सेंटर एंड थ्रू डायरेक्ट 3 कोटी मेळटाले काय 2 कोटी मेळटाले तेही बंद जाले हें परमनंट जर बंद जालें जवळ जवळ 10,000 20,000 कोटी तुका मेळपाना नॉट इवन 0.1% ऑफ गोवा's ore has been domestically consumed it is not considered iron ore we are exporting mineral garbage and ही जर तू गार्बेज म्हाका ही घाण गोंयची एक्सपोर्ट करपाक दिना तर हांव म्हणटलो बिझनेस शून्य जालें
वाय दिस सायलन्स आनी कितें म्हणटा सायलन्स इज एसेंट म्हणून पळय कशें सगळे ओग्गी रावल्यात ते म्हणून
तूं म्हणटा बिझनेसमॅन ओग्गी बसला ताका खबर ना कितें करपाक जाय तें सुप्रीम कोर्टाक वता येता लॉयरां म्हऱ्यां वता येता आनी गव्हर्मेंटाक वता येता आनी तातूंत तुका हांव सांपडला जो तुज्या मुखार टेलिव्हिजना कडेन उलोवपाक शकता सम ऑफ देम आर फोकस्ड ऑन ब्रिंगींग अबाउट अ चेंज इन दी लॉज म्हणजे लेजिस्लेटीव रिलीफ्स 3,000 कोटी म्हाका दी तूं हांव तुका कंप्लिटली मिनरल कॉरिडोर्स बांदता तुका आवाज येवपाना तुका धुल्ल दिश्टी पडपाना तुका मीन दिश्टी पडपाना तुका म्हजी एक्टिविटी दिश्टी पडपाना तूं हांव तुज्या रेडारच्या कंप्लीट भायर वता जर आमचे दिल्ली लोक आनी गोंय लोक तांचे बरोबर कोऑपरेशन हाडून हें करपाचें golden mineral industry of Goa konta eta, which will be even ahead of Sweden and Canada and great parts of United States or New Zealand.
Watch Arvind Bhatikar interviews Avadut Timlo exclusively on Sunday 5th May at 1:30 p.m., 3:30 p.m. and 10 p.m.
JMFC has rejected the bail plea filed by one Francis Xavier Fernandez, main accused in a motorcycle burning case on a railway track at San Jose de Ariel. Police investigation has revealed that he received help from more people while executing the deadly plot of derailing a train. Police had sought custody of the accused to trace whereabouts of his accomplice. Accused Francis Xavier Fernandez has been remanded to 7-day police custody.
On 27th April, some miscreants set a two-wheeler on fire on a railway track at San Jose de Ariel. Police thereafter investigated the case and arrested accused Francis Xavier Fernandez. Police verified that the motorcycle belonged to one Walter Lobo from Chandor. Accused was remanded to 4 days police custody. The remand period got over on Friday and said accused moved for anticipatory bail on Saturday at JMFC. Accused wanted for interrogation to trace whereabouts of his accomplice. Accused has previous enmity with the owner of the burnt motorcycle. The key used by the accused to unlock the motorcycle is recovered from the scene of offence. CDR and SDR report of mobile number confiscated are yet to be received. It will provide clue of his accomplice. Accused might alert his accomplice if granted bail and set free. Accused was dismissed from the service of Indian Railways. He threw the motorcycle on the track to avenge his dismissal. While counsel of accused had filed fresh bail plea at South Goa Sessions Court, accused has been granted 7 days police custody by the JMFC. Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Even though the High Court of Bombay at Goa had allowed slaughtering of animals at Goa Meat Complex on Tuesday, the shortage of beef continues in the state. High Court has put restriction that animals will not be brought from other states to slaughter in the state. Traders say that the animals fulfilling conditions of slaughtering are not available in Goa, and this situation has led to acute shortage of beef in the market.
Even after the interim relief sought by the Goa government and granted by the High Court to allow controlled slaughtering of animals at Usgaon Meat Complex, there is no relief for the traders. High Court had ordered that only eligible animals from Goa will be approved for slaughtering in Goa. But the traders says that there are no enough eligible animals available in Goa.
की गोरवां तुम्ही भायरसान हाडपाचे ना, गोंयानूच सान घेवन मारपाचे. आता गोंयान गोरवां हूंय हा, गोंयान मार्केट लेगून ना. आनी कितें वस्तू पळय येता गोंयान ही सगळी भायलीच येता, जावं चिकना, जावं बोकडे, जावं हे डुकराचें मांस आनी कितें पळय येता भाजी, दूध सगळें भायल्यान येता. जर हेका कित्याक तुमी बंद करता, भायरसान हाडिनाका म्हणटा. आमी आतां भायरसान हाडिना, गोंयान जेन्ना आमकां मेळना जाल्यार आमी कितें करतले?
After the meeting with the meat traders and dealers in Madgaon, Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald said that traders will soon approach the High Court to lift the ban on bringing the animals from other states.
All associations are aggrieved by this order. It's not that few are aggrieved, and we would request the government to assist the appellant, now the persons who are going on appeal, and likewise, like how the Chief Minister said in the House, that we will approach the High Court, assist the associations to see that their demands are fulfilled.
Beef traders and dealers of Fonda area also held a meeting and demanded that the government should supply eligible animals as they are barred to bring animals from outside Goa.
High Court जी order दिल्या तर गव्हर्नमेंटान आमकां सप्लाय करपाची, गोरवां तेंच्यांनी सप्लाय करपाची जाल्यार आमी ते कटिंग करू शकता, स्लॉटिंग करू शकता.
Meanwhile, Congress MP Francisco Sardina, terming this order as anti-Christian, said that the government has failed to fulfill the need of people.
We Christians, Catholic population, beef is our main food item. I'm not criticizing the judge. I'm criticizing the people who are sleeping before the judge without putting the arguments. They should open the eyes. The anti-Christian decision.
The High Court on Monday will hear the matter to decide about custody of the seized underage animals, which are currently in the custody of Ponda Mamladar. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.